Trucks isn't that? Hey, what's up, Nate? How are you? Oh, you need some injectors? Like pronto? Brother, I got you. All right, man. We'll see you in Texas soon.
How's it going, everybody? My name is Nate Hamilton. Welcome to 144's Print House and Race Studio.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's do it. So this is our front of house right here. It's where we have some AC. Everyone relaxes and kicks it. We have Caden and Tristan in the house. Hey. Then we come in here. This is our production floor. So we have our direct-to-garment. This is Epson's direct-to-garment printer. This will basically print like 16 by 20 full graphic, full color, full photos. Essentially just a really large printer for a t-shirt. Then around here we have the trusty Auto. This is an automatic machine. This is what I use the most. It prints multiple colors and this thing just runs. Back here, we have my wife hanging out.
Hello.
This is a little embroidery area. The car is seeing a lot of work lately. So this car's been around since 2016 when I was running Formula Drift Pro. This was in the same car. From there, we've just done maintenance, oil changes, a new motor package, and everything for the last 2 years has been running really smooth until I finally had kind of caught it on fire. The alternator spiked everything, and we've been kind of working to get it back up and running 100%.
Awesome.
But yeah, she's in a little bit of tough shape right now. We have some pulling to do on our top hat coilover sections. We're a little out of alignment from my last wall hit. I don't know, Matt, if you've seen that on our Instagram, or on our YouTube, we have the videos, but I definitely just got into a wall, crushed this front bash bar, strut tower needs to be pulled out, but Adrian's on it. All right, cool. Yeah, so let's talk a little bit about my future. We're in the S13. This is a very trusty platform that I'm very comfortable with, but at the same time, I'm on the cusp of trying to build the 370Z. So we're at the stage right now where basically we need our large drivetrain items, motor, gearbox, bell housing. That way we can then put a trans and the drive shaft in, so then we can finally get it off to powder coating. But most of the fabrication work is complete. And from here we're down to plumbing and our heavy items, if you will. So they don't look like much until you paint them and then they're ready to rip. But this cage was done by Travis at Xiaomi Garage up north in Des Moines, Iowa. So he did a good job with that. And from there, we just have the actual chassis stitch welded, kind of reinforced, and then just a blank slate. So our goal now is ringing up Golan engines, getting a motor, and then like I said, flywheel and bell housing. That way we can mock up the trans. That way we can plumb everything around that and then build this thing.
Cool.
Yeah.